friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a battery drain comparison between the Poco X2 versus the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. So this is the most requested question, friends. A lot of viewers are asking me in my channel to do a battery drain test between both the phones. So while playing YouTube application, so in this test, I'll be choosing the YouTube application, friends, with the 100% brightness, not with the 100%. So the reason why I'm doing with the 100% because even I did with the 50% brightness, friends, in both the phones. So there are separate videos on that. If you want, you can take a look at my channel, friends. So you can find plenty of videos which I did. So there will be even links in description as well for the playlist of both smartphones. So you can find all the battery draining related videos on both the phones, friends. And if you want to know what animations I am using, do subscribe to my channel, friends. I'll be posting very soon this new application which I found out, so which is very interesting, friends. Even if you want to use stock Android notification panel in any Android phone, so stay tuned, friends. Even I'll be doing the video on that, even what wallpaper I am using. So everything, all the videos I'll be doing one by one, friends. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. And in this video, let's get started with the test between both the phones. So Poco X2 comes with a 4500 mAh capacity, friends. So whereas the Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with a 5020 mAh. So in the battery size, the Redmi Note 9 Pro is the winner. So let me show you the display resolution what I'm choosing in this test. So even that might affect little bit of battery. So 60 Hz I'll be selecting, friends, throughout the test. And at the moment both the phones are charged to 100%. So let me open the battery in both the phones. As you can see, friends, clearly 100%. And I have connected the earphones to both the phones. And let me open the stopwatch in my phone. So even the stopwatch got on, and let me connect to the only to the Wi-Fi, friends, not to the any mobile data or any other cellular network is on throughout this test. Only with the Wi-Fi connection throughout the time. So I'll be playing continuously, friends, one of my playlist, so which has more than 160 videos, as you can see, friends, clearly. Poco X2 and the Realme X2 phones, so which I uploaded plenty of videos, friends. So definitely if you're looking to buy either of these for both phones, so then definitely take a look at the playlist, friends. So which I uploaded plenty of different tests and a lot of comparison with the other smartphone. So you can choose the best mobile before buying the device, friends. And let's get started with playing one of the video. And as I said, I have connected only to the Wi-Fi and with the 100% brightness, friends. And even I have disabled the auto brightness in case if you think the brightness might increase later on. So all the brightness is set to maximum and Wi-Fi connection, and even the videos are started again. So let me try to start the stopwatch, friends, by disconnecting the cables in both the phones. As you can see, both the phones are disconnected the cable. So as you can see, friends, I am playing with the 1080 video in both the phones continuously. So this will be the 1080 test, not with the normal 720 or 360 test. So we'll get the accurate results in both the phones. So let's see, friends, which phone will be the clear winner. And I'll be playing until the battery gets close to 0%, friends, continuously, because I got plenty of time today. So it's in morning 11:50. So I got a lot of time, friends, to test it continuously. So before I used to just stop the test after 50%, but now I decided to continue the test until the battery gets drained in both the phones. So subscribe to my channel, friends, because it takes a lot of time and effort in making this kind of long battery drain test possible. So do check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of both the smartphones in case if you are having more queries regarding the smartphones. So let me even choose the volume. So both are having same kind of volume percentage. So again, I'll be back, friends, after a couple of hours. So finally, friends, after 4 hours 26 minutes, the battery in the Poco X2 dropped to the 50%, friends. So let me show you the battery percent. As you can see here, 50%. And let me try to open the settings as well so you can see clearly. So same thing with the Redmi Note 9 Pro, friends, where the battery is of 56%. So as you can see, friends, so overall there is only difference of 5%, like 5 to 6% between both the phones throughout the time. So again, I'll be continuing this test, friends, until the battery gets close to 5%. So again, I'll be back around maybe 4 hours later. I think overall the battery can go up to 8 hours, I guess, with the full brightness, friends. So this is a test with the full brightness. So overall, if you ask me which phone has a more brightness, I would say the Poco X2 has slightly more brightness levels compared to the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So if you observe clearly, the Poco X2 has a little bit more brightness, friends. I'm not sure you can notice in this video, but if you ask me personally, I am feeling like Poco X2 has got slightly higher brightness levels. So again, I'll be back, friends, after 4 more hours, and let's check how many hours we can continuously play the YouTube with the full brightness in both phones. So you can decide, friends, if you are buying the phone just for entertainment purpose, you will know the which phone is better. So as you can see, friends, exactly after 8 hours and 1 minute, the Poco X2 phone got completely dead to zero. As you can see, friends, let's check the how much is the battery percentage in the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So just now it decreased below 10%, friends. I think it's close to 9% at the moment. So it's 9% battery. So I'll be waiting, friends, again for some more time. Let's see how many hours it can actually get through with the YouTube playback test. So now you can clearly see, friends, the time is around 8 hours and 30 minutes. Still the Redmi Note 9 Pro is continuously playing the videos. Let me show how much is the battery percentage, friends, at the moment. It's 3%. So overall, definitely, friends, you can expect more than 8 hours of continuously YouTube playing test in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device, and whereas in the Poco X2, so maximum I got about 8 hours, as you can see, friends. So this with the full 100% brightness you can get, and if you use the 75% brightness, maybe you can get up to 10 to 11 hours of battery backup, and if you use 50% brightness you can get close to 15 hours. So that is a test which I already did in my previous videos. So do check out my other videos, friends, if you want to know more in detail reviews about both the phones in terms of battery. So this is just the YouTube battery drain test, and definitely I'll be doing the PUBG battery drain test as well, comparing both the phones. So see you in the next video, friends. That's it for this video. Until then, stay tuned and do check the playlist, links in description, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video, friends. That's it for this video. Bye.